Get to know the PrintOS Learn app. Everything you need to learn about the HP printers in your organization is right here ready when you are. To get started or explore the latest updates in PrintOS Learn, visit the PrintOS homepage. Click the menu button, verify that you're logged into the correct organization, and then select the Learn icon. In the My Learnings tab, you'll see several ribbons, with the first one displaying your learning progress status. The brand new Categories ribbon organizes everything you need to know about your printer by category. The My Courses and Learning Plans ribbon displays your favorite courses and learning plans, as well as those that are in progress, completed, scheduled, or recommended by your manager based on your role. View the status of your earned certifications in the My Certifications section. Clicking on the View All option expands the Categories tab, allowing you to browse learning content organized by category. You can also select a specific device from the drop-down list to view content tailored to that device, along with shared content applicable to other printers. Additionally, use the status filter to track your progress and manage your learning path. Click the Help and Support icon to access valuable information about PrintOS Learn. Need assistance? Click on Contact Support and describe your inquiry to get support. Access the latest training and industry insights to get the most from your print operations. Learn anytime, anywhere. Kick off your learning journey today and make the most of your HP latex printers.